Hello folks, welcome to Coding World. Today in this video we are going to learn about Scala arithmetic operation. So we can do that all programming in Scala file and then run the Scala file and see the output on the console. But this is a one line code, so we will go with a Spark shell. So let me open my Spark shell. Yeah. So if you type 100 in Scala's console, it will show that it has a integer data type. So if you hit 2.5, it will show double. So let's start with the first operation, which is a plus. If you do 1 plus 2, it should give 3. It will print the output, it will give the output, and it will show also what kind of output it is. Like here, if you type integer 1 and integer 2, the summation of it will be integer. So we'll go for the minus. So 3 minus 2, it should give 1. An integer. You can do the multiplication also. Like if you add 120 into 7, yeah, it gives multiplication. Also, if you go for the divide operation, it will give the 3. So like this we can see the addition, summation and division multiplication in Scala. All these are we are doing it for the integer type. Let's give some example for the double, like a 2.3 into 2. So it automatically recognize one of the given input result in double format. So it will give the result in double format. In higher order, it will prefer and it will give the output in that format. So you can check also mod also 10 mod 3. It will give 1. So there are some other you can see that whenever you are getting output, it is assigning some variable like result 7, result 6. If you do the summation of results 6 plus result 7, it should give 25.6. Yeah. So you can do like this also. Probably there are some math operations like power and all. We can do that also. Math dot power of 2 comma 4, 2 to the 4. So it will let me correct it. One second. Why it is giving error? Yeah, it's giving like math dot power. So it will be 2 to the 4, it will be 16 in double format. So these are the math operator operations we are going to look into this video, which we will use in while doing the machine learning in the operation there will be big data, and over that we will be doing some operation to find out the result, and that we will be using this operation. So in next video we will look into the variable and values. So in this tutorial, that's it. uh, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe our channel, so whenever I upload the next video in Scala and Apache Spark, you will get the notification. Thank you.